Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ONEPLUS NORD to 5G to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bar. After that, you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. After that, you need to select Send on ONEPLUS and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a lot of time though, so I will only go with one photo from photo section and choose Send. Then click Got it, and as you can see from here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into for example, File Manager, some kind of Files app, tap Allow, go into, in my case, Photos, and choose Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!